friends, welcome to TubeReview. In this video, we're gonna be checking out the 5 best soundbar system. On a list first is MI Bluetooth 2.0 channel speaker. It comes with 8 speaker drivers. It has fabric cover on the front and that hides the drivers, and the control can be found at the top, while the back has inputs and power switch. The MI soundbar has 2 tweeters, 2 wide range drivers and 4 passive radiators. The soundbar has Bluetooth version 4.2 and frequency response range of 50 to 25,000 Hz. The price of MI Bluetooth soundbar system is 4,999 rupees. The second soundbar from the list is Philips 2.1 channel convertible multimedia speaker system. It will enhance movie viewing and music playback experience. It comes with 2 speakers and a subwoofer with a total power output of 80 watts. These speakers provides good sound quality and comes with USB and Bluetooth connectivity. It also has fully functional remote control. The price of this Philips soundbar speaker system is 6,999 rupees. The next soundbar coming on number 3 is Samson N300 Bluetooth soundbar speaker. It has 4 built-in speakers with total sound output of 40 watts. This soundbar supports Bluetooth connectivity for wireless music streaming, and it offers Dolby sound technology for stunning audio clarity. The price of Samsung Bluetooth soundbar is 6,999 rupees. The next soundbar is Boat Avante wireless Bluetooth speaker. It comes with multiple connectivity options like aux port, Bluetooth, USB port. This 2.1 channel soundbar with subwoofer has a power output of 80 watts. Pricing of Boat wireless Bluetooth soundbar is 6,990 rupees. The next soundbar is JBL Bar 2 wireless soundbar. It offers 30 watts of total power output and it comes with auxiliary port, HDMI port, USB port as well as Bluetooth version 4.2. This soundbar comes with superb sound quality at price tag 6,999 rupees. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel and thanks for watching.